Hi everyone, my name is Tracy Spittler and I'm going to walk you through my game I made for my final project in WD2. First, I created a class and called it Epic Choice, and this class, it holds all of the other choices and turn of events throughout the game. I created a variable called current to store the current playable character that we're using. I created another variable, which is an array of characters, to store all of the characters that the user creates throughout the life of the game while you're playing, and then another variable called count that stores the amount of challenges that you've won. Below this are custom functions methods representing a choice or a series of choices for the player during the gameplay. In the main menu and character menus, switch statements let the players choose what he or she wants to do next, and also helps me validate input. There are select character and create character methods. Down here, see, here's create character and select character methods, and these do just that. There's also validation checks to make sure that the character you do select actually exists and the character you are trying to create does not exist already. And along with input validation throughout the entire game, it makes sure that you cannot click on anything that you're not allowed to note options. After that, we have the storyline and the start game, and those things are pretty obvious as well. There are 3 challenges that you have to face in order to win, and you have to answer all 3 correctly. If you fail a challenge, then you have the option to start the game again, and there are 3 places, so let me see, down here, let me walk you through it. I'm going to start this game. All right. So we have our first menu, and this is our main menu. And see, if I hit 2 as an option, hit OK, it tells me I must create a character before we start a game. So that's where all the validation checks in. Let's see, we're gonna create a character, and we're gonna name her Sarah. All right, so hello Sarah, she's now your hero. We're gonna return to the main menu, and now we can start the game. All right, so this is the storyline that I was telling you about. Welcome, Sarah, but be wary. The journey you are about to embark is not one for the lighthearted. Let the adventure begin. So this is more storyline. And then here you have an option. If I make an incorrect choice, it'll give me a little more storyline, tell me how I lost the game, and then that the game is over. And then it asks me if I want to try again, which is one of these custom functions that I have here inside of the parent class. I hit OK, it brings back the storyline, go through that. Let me choose the other option, and I can move on and progress throughout the game. So you keep doing this, there are storylines, and here's a challenge, for example. So I get that right, and it tells me I win, and that I can move on. So I do that. Make sure I accept all of the challenges. Otherwise I can't win a challenge I don't accept, right? All right, and I keep going through, and I'm not losing. And I use the math.random to actually randomize the challenges as you go through. All right, so thank you so much for solving our problem. Let's see, congratulations, you made it through all the challenges that were presented, and you have rescued your friend, returning to the main menu. So you have the option to continue, start another game, you can create a different character, or you can exit. I will leave a link of this game underneath this video, and you can check out how to play it, or leave me comments, or whatever you want to do, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for listening to my presentation. Bye.